Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's super relevant in 2025. How to refinance a loan. Whether you're dealing with a mortgage, car loan, or student debt, refinancing can help you save money and improve your financial situation. Let's break it down step by step. First off, what exactly is refinancing? It's basically replacing your existing loan with a new one, often from a different lender, to get better terms like a lower interest rate or a shorter repayment period. In 2025, with potential changes in economic policies and rising inflation, refinancing has become even more popular as interest rates fluctuate. So, how do you get started? Step 1. Assess your current financial health. Check your credit score because a higher score can snag you the best rates. Aim for at least 700 if possible. Next, shop around for lenders. Compare offers from banks, credit unions, and online platforms. Don't forget to factor in any 2025 specific incentives, like government-backed programs that might lower fees for eco-friendly homes or electric vehicles. Once you've picked a lender, it's time to apply. Gather your documents, things like pay stubs, tax returns, and proof of income. The application process is mostly online now, making it quicker than ever. After approval, you'll go through closing, where you sign the new loan agreement and pay any closing costs, which could be around 2 to 5% of the loan amount. Now, let's talk benefits. Refinancing can lower your monthly payments, reduce the total interest you pay, or even allow you to cash out equity for home improvements. But be cautious, there are risks. If rates rise, you might end up with a higher payment, and those closing costs can add up quickly. In summary, refinancing in 2025 is a smart move if you're prepared. Always consult a financial advisor to ensure it fits your goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.